I gotta take off.
Slowly. So the gear goes down. I have a new one. No, but I have a new one. Just haven't installed it yet. No, it ripped. It came off in the crash. In the days of Bayside. You have to whip it. You have to whip it, whip it, whip, whip, whip. Whip, 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 whip.
Take off flaps. Gear up. Flaps up.
Mother.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Gear down.
Shut up,
Gear
babe.
up.
Still didn't work.
Gear down. Gear up.
Oh my God, really?
Gear down.
No, the damn nose gear's not going anywhere. Oh my God.
Gear down. Gear up. Time remaining.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? It actually went up. Holy shite balls. Oh no, it didn't. Never mind. Can't get excited. I'm just gonna whip it and forget it. No, it did go up. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Woohoo! I like it when my sequence comes together. I'm behind you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. Me too, I'm behind you. I did. I went right into it.
Time remaining 1 minute, 5 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute.
Right into the damn sun. Ah. Behind you. What?
Seconds.
Come in.
10, 9, gear down, 8, landing flaps, 7, 6, 5.
Oh my god, all the gear came down at once? I don't frickin' believe it. I'm landing with you.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Sweet,
Flaps up.
dude. I literally, the gear didn't even know they were touching the ground.
That's nice. Yours was good, mine was shit because it bounced a little bit.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I gotta figure out why it whipples all over the damn
No,
place.
mine does that too because the linkage has that bend in it and it just like goes back and forth and the gear can do all whatever the fuck it
Yeah,
wants.
that's what it's doing. But I noticed when I took off the takeoff flaps, it was better. It didn't do it that much. It was mostly. I think it's kind of cool.
Yeah, the plane.
Mine.
Huh? I know, I want to look at your gear.